Hi, and welcome to the Edison Public Library. Today, I'm going to show you how to use an electronic resource called Rosetta Stone. Rosetta Stone is a language learning program that helps people learn a new language. The program is offered free to all Edison Library cardholders through the New Jersey State Library site. The first thing you have to do to access Rosetta Stone is to go to the Edison Public Library website at www.edisonpubliclibrary.org. Then click on Research, and then click on Databases. Next, you will scroll down until you see Rosetta Stone, and then you can click it as so. And then you will get to this screen over here. And on this screen, you have to enter your Edison Public Library card number. Now for this, I will enter my library card number. And then sign in. And then on this screen, it will tell you that you want to select Rosetta Stone Library Solution, and that is the Rosetta Stone electronic resource that we're going to talk about today. So then you would just click on this. And because you are a new user, you're actually going to have to sign up for this actual account. And once you enter your information, you will next choose what language you want to learn. And please note that with Rosetta Stone, you can only learn 30 languages. And these are the languages that you're able to learn, like Spanish, English, French, and so on. So once you choose a language and you entered your information, you can click on Sign In. Okay, and then once you log in and signed in, now you will have to click on where it says Launch Rosetta Stone Foundations. And please remember that in order to actually use this resource, you need to actually have a microphone, because using the microphone with Rosetta Stone allows you to actually learn the language and participate a little bit better. Okay, so now when we're on this screen over here, which says the lesson, which is Spanish, Latin America Level 1, it's going to allow you to select which course you want. As you can see, there are numerous courses, but since we're for beginners, I would choose Standard, which is over here. And again, this all depends really on your basic understanding of the language. But since we are beginners, let's click on Standard. And then once we do that, we will click on Apply Changes. And if you notice the layout is pretty straightforward, with the name of the unit on top, which says Unit 1 Language Basics, like basic sentences. You will also see the lessons below, like for example, Lesson 1, which is the core lesson, the pronunciation, which is why we need an actual microphone, vocabulary, and grammar. And as you can see here, there's Lesson 2, which is everyday items, Lesson 3, colors and sizes, Lesson 4, clothing and quantities, and so on. And then you would actually have to follow each lesson in order to complete the actual languages. Now, if you notice on top over here where it says Show Menu, you can see all the lessons that are available in the Spanish languages through Rosetta Stone, from language basics, greetings, introductions, past and future, life and world. So this kind of allows you to skip around if you wanted to. Maybe if you already have a prior knowledge already of some of the basics, maybe you just want to focus on travel, perhaps when you go traveling to another country, or maybe you want to go to the doctor or something like that in a different country. You can learn emergency situations and so on. And in order to actually start the lesson, you would just click here where it says Start. And then as you click Start, you will see that the lesson will automatically come up. And then you would follow the instructions here, but since I don't have a microphone on this laptop, then we really could not go any further. But once you do the microphone check, you'll immediately go into your lesson. If you notice on the top two here, you will see a tab that says Extended Learning. And the Extended Learning tab contains a phrase book over here, which is a quick reference to refer to phrases when you go out, and it also contains, as you see here, meeting people, being polite, time and money. And also under that tab, you'll see something called the Audio Companion, which you can download to your computer that will assist you with the course as well. And if you notice on the top right, you can also edit your profile as well, and also allow you to see your achievements that you've done while taking each lesson in each course as well. There's also a support button also, which is over here, and this will actually help you if you have any issues with this service. But please don't forget, you can also call to speak to a reference librarian if you need assistance, or you can always email us as well. So that's pretty much a big overview of how to use Rosetta Stone. As you can see, it's very straightforward, and this is actually our second language learning software that we do offer through the Edison Public Library website. So if you have any questions, please call the Edison Public Library, or if not, you can always email us at helpdesk@edisonpubliclibrary.net. Thank you.